When you get to the end of the presentation and start the stack, there are a lot of really good closes you can use, but I have 16 favorites that I use repeatedly. The goal is to get people to disassociate their fear about spending money with you. Disposable income. They are spending their disposable income on things that aren't serving them well, and by spending that money on things that will help them grow, they will have long-term fulfillment. Money replenishes. This close to help people realize that while each month money comes back, time does not. And if they're not careful, they will run out of time. Break old habits. Help them realize that if they leave today without investing, nothing in their life will change. Information alone. Help them understand that while they've gotten some awesome information, they can't rely on information alone. They need coaching and accountability too. Money or excuses. Get them to quit making excuses about why they can't buy. The goal of this close is for them to understand why you are charging them so much money and make sure that they are okay with that. There are two choices. Help them realize that they are crazy if they don't invest with you today. Us versus them. Call out people as either doers or dabblers. The handhold, where you actually walk them through the sign-up process. Say goodbye. Show them all the pain that will instantly disappear after they invest. Now and later. Paint the picture of their life now compared to what it could be if they invest. Only excuses. Call any excuses that might be keeping them back and then diffuse them. Reluctant hero. Help them believe that they can actually do it. If you only got. Show them what they already got for free and what they can possibly achieve when they invest with you. Close. This is the final push to get them over the edge. I typically do this one several times during the question and answer section of the webinar. There you go, 16 closes you can use throughout the stack to help sell your offer.